Hi there, it's me Rakib Sharkar. Today I talk about you. Have you ever noticed that AI give a tons and recommendations, but nobody tell how to check if they actually work? Today I will show you an easy way to monitor AI platform recommendations, whether you use tools or you are doing everything manually. If you use tools, keep it simple. Use analysis dashboard to see what's going up or down. Number 2, turn on alert so you know AI changed something. But what if you don't have any tools? No problem, just make it a simple Google Sheet or Notepad where you write down what AI suggests, what you applied, what happened after, any improvement or doubt. Check it once a week. You will clearly see which AI tips actually help you and which ones are just noise. At the end of the day, it's not about trusting AI blindly, it's about tracking, learning, and making smarter decisions. Thanks for watching.